everybody? Welcome back to a new day. Welcome back to a new episode. And welcome back to Nashville, Tennessee. Appreciate you being here and joining me today. Wow, this has been a crazy week, crazy weekend. I don't know where you're at, but if you're watching this video, most likely you got quite a bit of snow, probably a little bit of ice this weekend. Nashville, we got covered in snow first couple days, and then on Sunday we got pelted with a ton of ice, and that's when things really got crazy around here. I know there was a ton of trees that were down, a ton of power outages with power lines being down, several folks that are still without power. I mean, there's like over 100,000 people in this county alone that don't have power still. I was without power from about 7 a.m. until about 9 p.m. on Sunday. Luckily, I still had the gas logs, gas stove, and the gas water heater, so everything was still fine on my end. Although the house did get cold, it got down to about 54 degrees in here, which was extremely chilly. But luckily, it came back on, and everything was good since then. So in anticipation for the snow and ice this weekend, I did make a little trip down to Lamborghini of Nashville last week to get a closer look at one of their brand new Lamborghinis. That's right, we're back over here at Lamborghini Nashville. We're checking out some new Lamborghinis today, starting off with this brand new Revuelto, looking sharp in that red, and seeing it over here in the yellow with those blue seats and blue interior. This car is a special one too, not only for the spec, but it also has the carbon fiber roof, the carbon fiber deck lid, the carbon fiber rear wing, and the carbon fiber rear diffuser. This car is spec to the max, super cool. But what I'm here to see today is this, the brand new 2025 Lamborghini Temerario. This was the first one ever delivered here to Nashville. This has got the V8 platform in it. This is where they stopped doing the V10 from the Huracan. This came out to replace the Huracan. It's got a 4-liter V8 in the back. It's got twin turbos on it. It's pushing 907 horsepower. It'll go speeds of 210 miles an hour. Super duper awesome. But I gotta be honest with you, I don't like the spec of this. I don't really like the look of it either, to be honest with you. A lot of plastic going on, very much a Urus kind of front end from that angle, but seeing all this plastic on the front and being able to see the radiators like that and seeing how small the headlights are, and I definitely don't like those daytime hexagon fog lights in the front. It's just not for me. These side vents make the car. To me, I wish my Huracan had those on it. The wheels are super sharp. I like the design. Again, not a fan of the bronze. The color spec isn't my vibe for this car. It's a unique spec. It's a unique car. It's crazy. It's been fully redesigned. Overall, the car is pretty stunning. They've completely redesigned that back end. It looks nice and aggressive. I like those tail lights. All the little plastic vents I'm not a fan of. I love the center exit exhaust on it. And this V8 in the back that's exposed. It's a cool look. I wish it was a V10. It's got 8-speed dual clutch transmission in it. And the interior here looks just like the Revuelto. It's even got the side screen over there for your passenger. But this heads-up display and the screen right here in front of the driver is super awesome. The steering wheel's carbon fiber, looks great. The seats look fantastic, and this car smelled like the most brand new leather I've ever smelled my entire life. It was amazing. The door cards are amazing. Those vents where the speakers are, super cool design. The carbon fiber Temerario footplate there, so cool. And again, this car, it's epic. Would I have replaced the Huracan with it? No. I would have spent a little more time on it. I sure wouldn't have gotten rid of the V10 too, so it's just one of them deals. But overall, it's probably a great car. I can't wait to drive it. Can't wait to check one out. Can't wait to share it with you on the video. Speaking of which, I've got another video coming out on Wednesday, and you're not going to want to miss it because I got another crazy Lamborghini to show you.